Students, today we are going to see about the mode. The mode formula is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 plus F2 into H. Now let me know what are all these things. So first we have to locate a class with the maximum frequency is called the model class. First we have to find that model class, right? Then only we can find all these parts. L is nothing but the lower limit of the model class. After finding the model class, that lower limit is the L, and H is the size of the class interval. The size of the class interval we have to find. That interval how much is the 5 to 10 or 0 to 10 or 5 or 10 like that. So Fi is the frequency of the model class. So model class frequency is the Fi, and F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class. Before the model class is the F0, and F2 is the frequency of class succeeding the model class, next to the model class. So we can get all these things from the following example. A survey is conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students, resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in household. So here family size and number of families. 1 to 3 there is a 7, and 3 to 5 family size there are 8, and 5 to 7 members are 2, and 7 to 9 are 2, and 9 to 11 is a 1. So first we have to find the model class. So how we can find, locate the class with maximum frequency. Which have maximum frequency? Here 8 have the maximum frequency. This is the model class. First we have to find that. Model class is 3 to 5. So next is the L, right? As per that formula, let me find the L, H and F, F0, F1, F2. So L is nothing, a lower limit of the model class. This is the model class, then 3 is the lower limit. So L is equal to 3. So next H, you have to see that width of the class, size of the class. So how much is that? 1 to 3, 3 to 5. The size is the 2, right? You can find just subtracting this. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Wherever you subtract, you will be getting it as a 2. So next we have to find the frequency. F1, F0 and F2. That is easy. The model class frequency is the F1. Right? That is the frequency of the model class. Preceding is the F0, succeeding is the F2. So preceding, this is the F0, and succeeding is the F2. That means F1 is the 8, F0 is the 7, and F2 is the 2. That's it. Now we can apply in the formula. So mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L is the lower limit is a 3, plus F1 is a 8 minus F0 is the 7 divided by 2F1. So 2 into 8 minus F0 is the 7 minus F2 is the 2 into H is the it's a 2, right? So let me substitute. 3 plus 8 minus 7 is the 2 divided by your 8 to 16, 16 minus 7 minus 2 will be getting it as a 7, right? Here 8 minus 7 is the 1, 1 into 2 is the 2. I represent it directly. This I multiply. So now just you divide it, 7 and 2, we will be getting it to 0 point, right? So then we can add 3 plus, don't take LCM, it will take a little more time, so this division will be 0.286. we can stop at 3 decimal point. So mode is equal to 3.286. this is the mode value. Yeah. So only thing, we have to locate the first model class, then the lower limit, height, and the F1, F2, F0. That's it. So here we go for the next problem, exercise problem. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket match. Find the mode of the data. So data is given 3,000 to 4,000 runs scored, 4,000 to 5,000 up to the 11,000, and the frequency is given of number of batsmen. So first, to find the mode, we have to find the model class. That means with the highest frequency. Here, which is the highest frequency? 18, right? So yes. So here this frequency is lower limit is the L, and what is the height difference of this 4,000 to 5,000 is the 1,000. That is the height, and this will be the F1, and preceding is the F0, and succeeding is the F2. That's it, right? So write all the things. So lower limit is 4000, and height is the 5000 minus 4000, which is equal to 1000, and F1 is equal to 18, the model class frequency. F0 is previous one, and F2 is the succeed one. F0 is equal to 4, F2 is equal to 9. Now we substitute in the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Clear? So L is the 4000 plus F1 is the 18 minus F0 is the 4 divided by 2F1, 2 into 18 minus F0 is a 4 minus F2 is a 9 into H is the 1000. So let's keep the 4000 as it is. We can add 18 minus 4 is a 14, 14 into 1000 is a 14,000 divided by 18 into 2 minus 4 minus 9 is a 23, right? Yeah, so just you divide this and we can add with the 4000. 4000 plus to come for the 6 times 0 8.695. Okay, so just we can add the both, right? Then we'll get an a 4608.695. You can stop at the 4 decimal point. This is the required mode. And finally, you have to mention with the unit. Actually, it is about the run, right? We have to write. Therefore, mode of the given data is 4608.695 runs. You have to mention it properly. Runs. So here we go for the next problem. A student noted that number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. So number of cars and frequencies. So 0 to 10, 7, and 10 to 20 there is a 14, 20 to 30 is 13, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, so up to 80 he calculated, and frequency is given. So we have to find the mode. To find the mode, we have to choose a model class, so which has the highest frequency. 13, 12, 20, 20 is the highest frequency, right? Then this is the model class. Then this 40 is the lower limit, difference is the height is equal to 10, and this is the F1, and preceding is the F0, and succeeding is the F2. That's it. Is right? So lower limit is equal to 40, and height is equal to 50 minus 40, which is equal to 10, and F1 is equal to 20, F0 is equal to 12, F2 is equal to 11. Just substitute in the formula. So mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L is the 40 plus F1 is the 20 minus F0 is the 12 divided by 2 into 20 is the 40. 40 minus 12 minus 11 into, just read that, 40 plus 20 minus 12 is 8, 8 plus 8 into 10 is 80 divided by 40 minus 12 minus 11, 20 minus 17, right? So now just you divide it, then we can add 40 plus 17 tables is for a 4 times 0.7. Okay, that's it. Just you add it, so it will get 44.7, which is the required mode. That is the cars, right? It will represent the number of cars. Therefore, mode of the data is 44.7 cars. Yeah, thank you.